Thanks for the support on the first video. Creating a budget is one of the most important steps you can take to manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. However, many people struggle to create a budget that works for them and stick to it. In this video, we'll discuss how to create a budget and stick to it, so you can take control of your finances and achieve your goals. Section 1. Understanding your income and expenses. The first step in creating a budget is to understand your income and expenses. Start by making a list of all your income sources, such as your salary, bonuses, and investment income. Then, make a list of all your expenses, including fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and car payments, as well as variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and travel. Once you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, you can start to make a plan for managing your money. Section 2. Setting financial goals. The next step in creating a budget is to set financial goals. Ask yourself what you want to achieve with your money, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or investing for the future. Set specific, measurable goals that are achievable within a certain time frame. For example, if you want to save for a down payment on a house, set a goal of saving $10,000 in the next year. Section 3. Creating a budget. Now that you understand your income and expenses and have set your financial goals, it's time to create a budget. Start by listing your income and subtracting your fixed expenses. Then, allocate the remaining money to your variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Be sure to prioritize your financial goals, so you can allocate money toward achieving them. Use a budgeting tool or spreadsheet to track your expenses and monitor your progress toward your financial goals. Section 4. Sticking to your budget. Creating a budget is one thing, but sticking to it is another. To stick to your budget, you need to make it a habit. Start by tracking your expenses daily or weekly, so you know where your money is going. Avoid impulse purchases by waiting 24 hours before making any non-essential purchases. Use cash or debit cards instead of credit cards, so you can't spend more than you have. And finally, be flexible and adjust your budget as needed to ensure you can stick to it over the long term. Section 5. Tips for success to help you succeed in creating a budget and sticking to it. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Start small and work your way up. Don't try to cut all your expenses at once. Involve your partner or family in the budgeting process, so everyone is on the same page. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep yourself motivated. Use technology to help you stick to your budget, such as budgeting apps and automatic savings plans. Finally, don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Just get back on track and keep moving forward. Creating a budget and sticking to it can be challenging, but it's one of the most important things you can do to achieve your financial goals. By understanding your income and expenses, setting financial goals, creating a budget, and sticking to it, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. Remember, it's never too late to start budgeting, so start today and take the first step towards a better financial future. Thanks for watching.